I love it.
There they are. Hi.
Oh, it's cute. Yeah.
They're awesome.
Hello.
Hey.
Hi. So how much do you have set aside for the renovation?
I have 120,000 set aside.
Okay.
Great.
So out here, what are you thinking?
I'd love for it to be a little more symmetrical.
Okay.
I also would like a more interesting door. If there are antique doors that would go
Okay.
with the style of the house, that would be awesome.
Okay.
Let's go inside and check it out.
Okay, it is a little bit more rough on the inside.
Okay.
Just so you know.
Uh-oh. Oh, wow. Oh, look at this.
Wow.
A lot of holes.
Well, while we were tearing things up, we found what we think are the original hardwoods
Oh, awesome.
in the house. And if there's any way that they can be salvaged, I would absolutely
Okay.
love for that.
So basically in here, I want to try to salvage the hardwood floors and paint them. Then we'll paint the walls pink and we'll add new lighting. Okay, so living room feels good. All right, you want to look at the kitchen?
I don't know if you can really call it a kitchen at this point.
Nothing in here feels like you.
No, it's really dark, and I spend a lot of
Yeah.
time in the kitchen, so I like light.
Yeah.
Light,
And
okay.
a little more openness.
Okay. So if we get rid of this wall, open up this space, give you a nice big window to let in natural light, give you new cabinets, new countertops, a big island. Okay, what's next?
I guess we can go to the bathroom.
Sure.
It is a real mess in the bathroom.
Oh, wow. Well, you know, blank slate.
I want to wake up in the morning and come do my makeup and be excited to wake up.
I love that.
So I was thinking penny tile floors.
Uh-huh.
Cool. Yeah.
I'd love to spell something out on the floor with black penny tiles.
Yes, that's cute. I love that.
Any sayings that you just love?
Maybe talk to my mom about that.
You're on that.
Okay, come up with some ideas. Got it, Mom. And shower, you're good with the shower, or do you want tub?
I'm great with a shower, that's fine.
Okay, so in here we'll do a penny tile with a new shower, and then a new vanity with a space for you to sit and do your makeup. Last, I guess, is your bedroom?
My bedroom.
Yeah, let's go look. Is this it? Yeah.
This is
This is
it.
it. It's very yellow. Wow.
When I said I like color, this was not what I was talking about.
Tell us, what are you envisioning in here?
I would still love to preserve the floors.
Love that.
Still pink on the walls.
Okay, so in here, we're gonna preserve the floors, keep them consistent with the rest of the house. Give you a big closet here, paint the walls, new lighting. I am so excited. I'm
I am
ready to
too.
get started. This is gonna be really, really fun.
I can't wait.
Yes.
I need a key.
Yes,
yeah. Oh,
I
yeah.
have it. And it's going to match the rest of the house.
Are you serious
Oh,
right now?
of course there's a pink key.
A pink key.
I love it. One of the things that's really disappointing about this house is that it is from the 1880s, but all of the character has just been stripped away over the years. So we're gonna make it that way and infuse it with character.
That's right.
Quirky character.
That is the way to take out a cabinet.
Being able to raise the ceilings in the living room is going to make a dramatic difference inside. And now that we're centering the front door, Bowman's home is really starting to take shape. Wow, it looks so good in here.
I'm ready to dig into this thing. Let's get an excavator out. Today at Bowman's house, I have got to rip off the front porch. Moment of truth, Joe. Moment of truth. Going. Because the front porch is sitting at floor level, water's getting behind there, and there's rot inside, and I know it's from that porch, so it's gotta come off.
Wow, looks good. Nice work. Bowman's house is coming along so well. We have siding going up. Front porch is almost there, not quite done, but it's getting there. We have the bookshelves going into the study. The kitchen cabinets are getting installed, and Dave's installing the top secret access to the wine cellar in the kitchen island.
Yeah, I think that's gonna work good.
Honestly, I don't know that Bowman's gonna recognize it when we're done with it, but it's really turning out to be a beautiful, super eclectic space that I think she's really gonna love. We're painting an old reclaimed front door green to complement the house's pink exterior. The wine cellar bar that Dave built is going in, and cool wood slats are going up to hide the cellar stairs. Bowman really appreciates character and unconventional things. And so in her bedroom, we're putting some beautiful floral wallpaper. I think she's going to love it, and it will look really beautiful with the pink walls.
that what you're thinking?
I love it.
I love you.
Love it.
That is pretty
So
cool.
pink.
Bowman is gonna
Bowman's
go
gonna love it.
ballistic. Oh, that's a lot.
This house, I love it. I love all of the little details. I love the way we have pink everywhere.
Go pink or go home.
Instead of feeling like a little girl's room, it's a sophisticated, elevated pink. So all of the finishes in here are along that line. It's perfect. It feels like a really adorable cottage in a land of joy and
Stop.
sunshine. It does. That's what it is. It's adorable. I want to bottle it up and put it in my pocket.
Give it to me.
Oh
Nope.
gosh, oh gosh. Here's the thing about the loft. I'm afraid of heights. I mean, it's no secret.
It was 6 feet off the ground. Just climb the ladder and give me this thing.
Okay, there.
She doesn't like heights. I'll take care of this one. I'm gonna make it zhuzhed just perfectly.
Well, I'll watch.
It will be bean bagged up there and put it on the basket. Look how that felt perfectly.
Oh my goodness.
I think we're ready.
I mean, this is awesome. She's gonna love this. Dave, it's him. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh,
Oh my
it's
gosh.
so cute.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, it doesn't even look like the same house. That is awesome. I love it. Do you? It's so pink. Hi.
Hey, how's it going?
So, you want to go inside?
Yes.
Okay.
So much.
After you.
Okay.
You're the homeowner. Oh my God. I love
The floors.
the floors. Yay.
Oh my god.
So cool.
Oh my god. I don't have words to say. Oh my god.
I know.
Are you sure it's my house?
Yes, this is it. This is your house. So we opened up the ceiling, and then we have your little loft space, which you can go look at in a little bit.
It's like a whole bedroom up
It
there.
is.
It's
Oh,
so
wow.
nice.
It's really big. And
it's
I
so
feel like you should do this. I don't know.
Glam,
That's kind of glam. Go check out your kitchen.
Okay.
Go on.
Oh my gosh. This is amazing. I love the white floors with the darker cabinets.
Oh,
the
good.
contrast is
Yes.
so nice.
So we obviously reconfigured this entire kitchen, right?
Yeah.
And nice big island.
I love your big island.
I do
So-
too.
Isn't that awesome?
You can fit all your chairs
Yes.
around it, and people can
Yes.
eat around it. Yes.
I like an island.
Yay.
Lots of space to make
Yeah.
messes, because I do that a lot.
And then we have your little loft space.
Hey.
This is so
Yes.
cool.
Go for it.
Go
No
for
pressure.
it.
Everybody's watching.
I will try not to hurt myself.
Look and see.
Oh
Whatever
my
you.
gosh.
Isn't it cute up there?
It's so cool. It's so cozy.
Isn't it? Yay!
Oh, I'm gonna sleep up here.
Are you?
Yeah, totally.
Isn't that cute?
It's so cute. I love
Cozy.
it.
You can be, go up and read or sleep. Or when friends over, it's a nice little guest spot too.
Yeah,
So,
for
yay.
sure.
So there's more to see. The bathroom.
Yeah.
Oh my god. This is so perfect.
My goodness.
I love this. Looking good.
I love it. I love the little. I know. So cute.
Oh my gosh. Oh, and the little vanity area.
Yes. Okay, so another
Let's look
room.
at your bedroom.
Let's go look at it.
Of course, now she's gonna sleep in the loft,
I know, now
so we
she's
don't
gonna
need a bedroom.
Yeah.
Okay, it's fine. Oh my gosh, the ceiling. Oh my gosh.
That is so cool.
I didn't even know you could put wallpaper on the ceiling.
See, Dave.
I didn't either. I didn't either.
It's hard
so
to believe
cool.
this is the same room, right? But I thought, with the white floors, it would be really fun to have a dark, bold, unexpected wallpaper on the ceiling. I mean, could have put it on the wall, but that's, that's expected. So.
You definitely have a house of unexpected things for sure.
Yes.
Exactly what I wanted.
All right, let's go check out one more thing.
Okay.
Okay.
Will you see if you can push on this countertop for me? Just give it a push. Give it a push.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Go check that out.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Go sit.
Sorry.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
Keep going.
Keep going. This is so cool.
This is
so
awesome.
fun. Come on in.
This is amazing.
Do you see it?
I know. This is so cool. You keep going.
How did this happen?
There was a hole in the floor from where it was
Yes.
rotten. We came down here and we said, okay, well, let's just dig out a little bit, get it level. And we started digging and we found this concrete slab
Yep.
about 12 inches below
Yes,
dirt, of
this is
silt that had run
original.
in here over the
Yeah.
years.
Oh my gosh.
So there's a pump underneath there
Okay.
that if water gets in here, it'll always be pumped out. We've put all new beams in.
And Dave built that little table.
I love this.
Whoa.
Like,
It's not the most fun thing ever.
Oh my God.
we're really done now, so don't ask us for any more surprises.
Okay.
After living in my apartment, this feels so much more like a home because I feel like I'm a part of this house.
And it's right around the corner from me.
Lucky you.
Holy cow.
I think this house is just a really great reflection of her. I mean, it looks like Bowman to me, and I love that. I really, really think she loves it. And if she doesn't, I'll move in. I mean, it's so cute.